Hi legal professionals, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Here at Legally Techie, we show you how to use Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suites, for your law practice. Today I'm going to show you how to search within Google Drive, and I'm going to show you a way that allows you to save time and easily access the file that you need at the appropriate time. So all of us are familiar with this search bar, and usually we just type in the word that we're looking for, whether it's the client's name and so forth, or the case file number, whatever it may be. Usually we don't look at this search option on the side. So this drive in particular is kind of empty. But what you can do is configure it where you can change it to any document that you want, as you can see. We can also change who are the owners or specific person within your law firm. You can also search within shared drives particularly, or your particular drive. Also, you can search your trash or your starred email files. And you can go into more detail. So if you saw a prior video, I mentioned in the description of one of the files here in Google Drive for the number 4675. And you can, as you can see, it showed up as a result because I put that in the description. So that's another video I showed prior, how to add descriptions. So when using Google Drive and searching, always good to go ahead and click on the search options, click the criteria that you need so that you can go ahead and save more time. So thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them for you.